welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to sign up for Director's Print Suite. To sign up, we'll start at directorsprintsuite.com. In the middle, there's a sign up button. You'll click on that, and you'll fill in the according fields. When filling in an email, we do suggest that you use one that the funeral home entirely has access to. That way you don't have to worry about who's present to be able to access all of the cases. Once you've filled in the appropriate fields, you'll click Sign Up. You have the option to save your password at the top right hand. That way it'll populate every time that you go to our sign-in page.